Hello everyone, today I'm going to be replacing the wheel cylinders in my 94 F150. First thing you're going to do is jack up the rear of the truck, put it on a jack stand, remove the wheel, and then remove the brake drum, which I almost fell flat on my butt because I expected this to be seized on there like it usually is, but mine, amazingly, just came right off. It might be because of all the grease from the broken seal. So next, I am going to go ahead and remove all of the brake hardware. To remove this wheel cylinder, there are two bolts that hold it on the back, right here and over here, and then you've got to disconnect the line as well. Those two bolts are 13mm, and that brake line fitting is 3/8. Got my new wheel cylinder here. I'm going to start putting these brakes back together now. got my brake spring pliers back out again. I'm going to go ahead and put this over this middle piece first. And so now all that should be back together. So now we can just go ahead and put the drum back on, and should be done. I'm on the driver's side now. I am going to attempt to remove this wheel cylinder without removing any of the hardware. I know I have done it on my Rabbit truck before, but I'm sure this one's going to be a little bit more difficult, but hopefully I don't have to take everything apart, so we'll see how it goes. On the back side here, there is your brake line, which is 3/8 you need to disconnect, and then these two bolts, which are 13 millimeter. Okay, so since I've got the rear end opened up anyway, I went out and took out the C-clip to pull the axle out a little bit. So I was able to easily get this out. Now I should be able to get this one in easily as well. Now that it's all back together, we're ready to put the drum back on and adjust the brakes. When you put the drum on, you want there to be some kind of resistance. You want the pad just barely touching. If not, then you can take the drum back off and adjust this out or back in if it's too far out already.